it up?
Because I don't want the drywall to be in contact with the concrete. Concrete always allows moisture to pass through. It's not sealed. And in case any water gets on the floor, I don't want it touching the drywall and wicking up and damaging the drywall. So it rained this morning. There was some heavy rain showers, and I'm seeing moisture here, which wasn't there yesterday. And that tells me that water is coming down and then running inside the walls and over this area. This is moisture, recent, and also in the corner. Every time it rains, if water comes in, that means it can impact the framing material. The wood framing material can be damaged by continuous exposure to moisture. Even though I use pressure treated lumber here, it's still concerning. So I'm gonna go outside and take a look and see if there's something obvious. Some obvious reason why this is showing up. Okay, so here's a downspout. It's taking water off the roof. This is one area where water is coming in, even though this pipe, well, it's not. This pipe has got holes in it. What kind of pipe is this? Right, okay, wrong kind of pipe. This is drainage tile. It has slots cut in it. It's designed to collect water at the bottom of a foundation and conduct it away from the foundation. It's useless for this application where you want to take water away from this location because the water just runs out of the pipe. All right. The other thing I see is that there's a negative slope, that the ground is actually running back towards the foundation here. There is this drain here. So you can hear water running in it. This is a municipal drain. I think what needs to happen is to remove the soil here, put in something like a permanent waterproof barrier. It can even be a heavy-duty plastic, and then put granular material, something that drains well, pea gravel or sand even, so that create a positive slope away from the building, so that any water that comes into this area is immediately redirected where it should be to this drain. So I think it's fixable, but it needs attention. This plaster breaking out here is probably due to moisture getting behind it, then freezing and expanding, and then breaking off the plaster, you know. This is an old wall. It's unlikely there's any drainage at the bottom of the wall, so we have to deal with water up here at the top. Anyway, a part of that will be getting something solid, a pipe with no holes in it, to take water from the downspout and take it directly to that drain, so that, you know, any water that comes off the roof gets taken directly away. We're at the bottom of a bowl here, and everything is higher than we are, so any water that, you know, a heavy rains that bring water or a flood into this area is all going to end up right down here in this area. So knowing that, we can take some precautions to redirect the water flow. It's the same here. I'm planning on building a bike shed in this location, and it'll have a roof, and it will also direct water away from the building. So okay, that's it.